I was like this many days old, now many days old, to when I found out how much water actually, I don't know if you drink enough, do you drink enough water throughout the day? Yeah, apparently you're supposed to drink 8.
It's way more than that, dude.
You're a healthier man than I am, dude.
I'm down to 2 cups. Hey, my name is David, and I am a piano technician. I am a piano technician, which means I get to work on pianos all day long. I get to work with my hands, I get to work with artists, I get to work with the piano. And I wanted to tell you the 3 reasons why I absolutely love what I do. Starting with number 1, the piano. I get to work with an instrument all day long, and not just any instrument, the piano. Full stop. That's it. Probably the most iconic instrument ever created, definitely the most complicated instrument ever created. 10,000 moving parts, a myriad of possibilities in a world within every piano, and I get to help unlock that world. And that is amazing. There's never a dull day working with the instrument that is the piano. Number 2, the tools. I mean, come on.
Just get those wonderful toys.
We get to work as piano technicians with tools. That means we're working with steel, wood, leather, brass, all of these metals, all of these textures, and we get to create using tools, hand tools. I mean, it's insane that I get to work with my hands to begin with, but then to be able to work with amazing tools that are handcrafted, that I can then bring out the most of the piano with my hands using these tools, it's chef's kiss. It's absolutely so much fun. And if you're a tool person like me, it was kind of a whoa. Found the job once I started looking at some of the tools, and I can't tell you enough how gratifying it is to be able to do work every day that is you putting your hands on something and making it better. Which brings me to my 3rd point. I get to work with people. I get to help unlock the potential, not just in their pianos, but in them. The work that I do as really an artist helping artists. So I get to go to a 100-year-old piano that's never been tuned, that the customer's just like, I'm not happy with it, can you do something? And within a couple hours, I change the entire piano, which then in turn changes their world and unlocks potential that they didn't even know they had within themselves, and that is huge. Every day, I get to work with my hands, I get to work on the piano, I get to unlock everything about the piano for my customers and the amount of joy that they have, which then in turn bring me joy. I love it. If you're interested in becoming a piano technician or the idea of it, if you like the idea of working with your hands and working with pianos, contact us at the Artisan School. We would love to talk to you. Thank you so much. Hopefully this was helpful. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. What's our school called?
Some piano school.
What is it?
The Artisan Piano School.
The Artisan School.